Today, we've got some exciting news from Vivo as they just announced 3 new additions to their mid-range S series. I'm talking about the Vivo S18, S18 Pro, and S18e. Stick around as we dive into the details of these new smartphones. Kicking things off with the design, the S18 series brings an eye-catching aesthetic with brocade elements etched on the back glass. But what really catches the eye is the large camera island split between 2 squares. The top half houses the impressive camera setup, while the bottom features the AuraLight LED and a dedicated LED flash. And guess what? The AuraLight is programmable, adapting to different shooting scenarios with varying light and temperature strengths. Both the S18 and S18 Pro feature curved 6.78-inch AMOLED displays with 1260 x 2800 pixels resolution and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The punch hole cutout on the front accommodates a powerful 50-megapixel front-facing camera with a 90-degree field of view and autofocus. And let's not forget the selfie cameras are flanked by dual soft LED flash sensors. Now let's talk cameras. The S18 Pro boasts a robust camera setup with a 50-megapixel main camera featuring a 1x1.49 Sony IMX920 sensor and OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a Samsung GN1 sensor, and a 12-megapixel telephoto module with 2x optical zoom. On the other hand, the S18 gets a 50-megapixel Omnivision OV50E main shooter with OIS and an 8-megapixel Omnivision OV0 8D10 ultra-wide lens. Under the hood, these phones bring different firepower. The S18 Pro is equipped with MediaTek's Dimensity 9200 Plus, while the S18 packs Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. Both phones offer configurations of up to 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage. Now let's talk numbers. The S18 series comes in black, green, and silver colors. The S18 starts at $322 for the 8 GB, 256 GB variant, going up to $420 for the 16 GB, 512 GB version. Meanwhile, the S18 Pro starts at $448 for the 12 GB, 256 GB version, and tops out at $518 for the 16 GB, 512 GB version. Sales for the S18 begin on December 22, while the S18 Pro will be available starting January 13. Now, for those who prefer something slightly different, let's talk about the S18e. This phone features a flat 6.67-inch AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The punch hole cutout on the front houses a 16-megapixel front-facing camera, while the back brings a 50-megapixel Sony LOLT600 main sensor and a 2-megapixel depth helper. The S18e comes in black, silver, and purple colors, and pricing starts at $294 for the 12 GB, 256 GB variant, and $322 for the 12 GB, 512 GB model. If you're interested, mark your calendars as the open sales for the S18e kick off on January 13. And there you have it, folks, the latest from Vivo's S series. What are your thoughts on these new releases? Are you Team S18, Team S18 Pro, or Team S18e? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, signing off.